Hello team, my name is Andrey Piatakha and I'm happy you're watching my courses. I've released so many lessons, we discussed already so many topics, and I still have a lot of things to share with you. And I thought, who can help me to create lessons in order I could release them faster and more often? And I found such person. Well, actually not a person, but artificial intelligence who analyzed terabytes of voice data in order you could enjoy American accent watching my video lessons. So, please meet Mr. Red.
Hello guys. It is pleasure for me to meet you all. You will hear my voice during some lessons, but remember, Andrei is the only one who wrote the script I read, so in case of any questions, please ask him.
Thank you, Mr. Red, for introduction. Indeed, do not blame him in case explanation is not clear, because it's only me who creates these scripts and he just helped me with creating video lessons. You are going to hear his voice on some lessons, and some lessons still will be recorded completely by me. In case you have any questions, you can direct them to me, but not to Mr. Red. And I will be happy to answer those, because he just helps me to create lessons faster. And another great thing of using Mr. Red voice, speech recognition that is used in majority players easily can recognize his accent and his voice. So you can turn on captions and enjoy nice and correct captions under each video lesson.
One more thing, Andrei. Tell them about pace of speech.
Oh, I almost forgot. Thank you, Mr. Red. So in case you wanna adjust pace of speech, you can easily slow down it a bit or make it even faster using your video player settings. Thank you team for supporting me. I am sure you would enjoy lessons. And as always, I would appreciate your feedback and reviews. Have a nice day. Bye.
Have a great day, team. It is nice to meet you all. See you on the lessons.